Hello and welcome to my latest video webinar. This is an online presentation that you can take part in or you can just listen to. It sometimes includes video but obviously has sound. And there are a few lessons from this webinar that I thought were particularly useful for family historians and genealogists like ourselves. So I'm going to share those with you. Do remember to comment below if you have a comment to make or a query on this video, and do remember to click a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. So the first thing I want to talk about is don't give up with your research. We know the idea of brick walls, these points in our research when we just get stuck and we can't find a record of an ancestor, we can't get past a particular date or occasion, and we are stuck. Never give up. The brick wall isn't there until you've tried every possible record, every possible source, every possible thought. So think about your ancestor. Think about the time they lived. Think about the types of things they may have got up to. What was their occupation? Would that reveal some records? How old were they? Would they have fallen on hard times, perhaps gone into a workhouse or asked for relief from the parish? Until you've checked out all those possibilities, you can't really say it's a brick wall. Next, it's mistake making. Mistakes are fantastic. Okay, they can be frustrating and can lead you up the wrong path, but if you pick them up, you can learn from them, and that's the value mistakes have. Imagine if we did all our family history research without making one mistake. How much would we learn from that? Would we learn anything from that? So making mistakes can teach us lessons. We can reflect on them, we can learn from them, and we can aim not to make them again. That's a challenge. Don't try not to make the same mistake twice. Thanks for listening. Thanks for taking part if you've put a thumbs up or put a comment.